dancing and grooving, feeling so alive. Let's learn some words that start with D tonight. D is for dream, when you close your eyes. D is for dinosaur, they used to rule the skies. D is for delicious, when you taste something yummy. E is for dance, let's move our body.